If you've ever tried to review hundreds of medical papers over the weekend, you know how overwhelming it can be. But in the world of diabetic wound healing research, it's a daily challenge. Over 3,000 new studies are published every year. Today, I'll show you how WisPaper, an AI-powered academic search tool, helps you speed through this sea of papers in minutes. Diabetic wounds are one of the toughest challenges in medical research. They involve cross-domain knowledge, tissue regeneration, immunology, biomaterials, and clinical trials. But finding which papers actually matter is often harder than running the experiment. This is where WisPaper comes in. It uses AI-powered semantic search to understand your research question, go beyond keywords, and find the most relevant papers. No more scrolling through hundreds of irrelevant studies. WisPaper makes academic research faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let's try searching for diabetic wound healing growth factors. WisPaper uses semantic analysis to rank papers based on how relevant they are to your specific research question. As you can see, WisPaper instantly identifies papers directly related to the growth factors involved in diabetic wound healing. Let's now compare WisPaper with traditional academic search engines like PubMed and Google Scholar, commonly used in medical research. We'll use the search term diabetic wound healing growth factors and analyze the results. When we run the search in PubMed, we get over 1,000 results. Many of these papers are irrelevant to our specific research question. Some focus on wound healing in general, others on non-diabetic populations. Without spending hours reading abstracts, how do we filter out the noise? WisPaper uses semantic analysis to go beyond keyword matching, understanding the research context behind your search terms. When searching for diabetic wound healing growth factors, it automatically categorizes papers by relevance and focus. For example, it groups studies on growth factors, stem cell therapies, and biomaterial scaffolds in diabetic wounds. This process reduces research time by up to 80%. Filtering out irrelevant studies and highlighting the most impactful papers for your work. As you can see, WisPaper not only saves you time, but helps you discover research gaps, follow trends, and identify the most impactful studies for your diabetic wound healing research. Ready to make your research process smarter and faster?